Hi there, my name is Matt Gibson. I'm with the Coleman brand here at Dutchmen RV. Today we're standing in front of the Coleman Light model. It's a 2835 BH. The livable box length is right at 28 feet long and it's 6,000 pounds in dry weight. So the nice thing about that, any full-size SUV and any pickup truck on the planet can tow this thing. So it's nice and lightweight. Coleman's been around for over 100 years and Dutchmen RV's been around for over 30 years. So our partnership with Coleman, which is the leading outdoor lifestyle company in the world, allows us to not only manufacture a product that's very well built with a lot of great components inside, but also bring to the market for our customers a very nice product with good features and benefits to the coach, which we'll get into a little bit later. One of the biggest things to note on that you'll have on a Coleman Light and the Coleman LX series and the Coleman Lanterns that we'll get to a little bit later is a nice industry-leading 3-year structural warranty. Moving around on the door side of the camper, you've got a nice Furrion solar prep. It'll keep those batteries nice and charged. Big oversized baggage doors, 36 inches wide, not only on the door side, but also on the off-door side as well. You've also got the nice magnetic door catches, and you've got the nice slam latch doors just like you'd have on a motorhome. Getting back into the pass-through, we've added a nice LED light strip to completely illuminate that pass-through storage. You can find any item that you're looking for. We've also added nice LED lights in the underbelly on each stab jack. That way if you're setting up the camper in the morning or in the evening and it's dark out, you can set that camper up with ease. In addition to the lights, we've also got the power stab jacks on both the front and the back. It's all one-touch button. You don't have to worry about sitting down and cranking each manual jack up and down. Everything can be controlled by just one button. This particular model is going to be a double entry model. We've got the same size entry doors on both doors. This will be the bedside door. That will be the main entry, but they're both going to be 28 inches wide. Both have the nice screen doors, nice big windows to add an extra daylight, and you've got triple entry steps coming in on both sides. This model is going to be equipped with a 6-gallon gas and electric water heater with 18 gallons per hour on the refresh rate, so it's one of the leading water heaters in the business. You've also got a nice big Carefree power awning. It's all one touch with a nice LED light strip to completely illuminate that nice patio area. Marine grade indoor and outdoor speakers. The inside radio or stereo will come equipped with 2 different zones, A or B. This Coleman Light 2835 BH is going to be riding on an 8-inch I-beam chassis, so it's a nice firm frame. You've also got 15-inch wheels with radial tires and nitrogen filled, so it's going to allow that camper to not put so much wear and tear on those tires going down the road. Into the main entry door, just like we talked about in the bedroom, you've got a 28-inch wide entry door, nice triple aluminum steps with heavy tread to make sure you won't be able to slip if they're wet, so nice triple steps coming into the coach. This particular model is going to come equipped with an outside kitchen and a barbecue grill. It's a nice Flame King grill. You've got a nice high-rise faucet, nice big door, again with the magnetic door catches, and you've got the slam latch as well, and an outdoor refrigerator to keep all things cold. Moving around on the back side of the camper, this unit's going to come equipped with a Furrion backup camera. Again, it's just the prep. Moving along, everything will be equipped on both Coleman Light and all Coleman LX models with a spare tire. And then finishing up on the exterior, everything's going to come with, on the Coleman Light series, with an outdoor shower, hot and cold. And one of the best features on the outside, especially on the off-door side, is a detachable power cord. A lot of times when it gets very cold, whether early in the morning or late at night, these cords can be very difficult to maneuver. So the nice thing about it, you can just completely detach this, roll it up, and put it back in the passenger storage instead of having to continue to push that cord back into the coach. That's it for the exterior. Again, my name's Matt Gibson. I'm with the Coleman brand. Thanks for your time today. Please see your local dealer if you have any other questions.